Hello folks, Gino here with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas with a 2009 Harley Davidson Street Bob. It's a pretty bad looking little rig. Black powder coated rims with a gray motor with black powder coated cylinders. Satin finish rocker boxes. Comes with a 96-inch motor and a 6-speed. Been upgraded with a set of Vance & Hines exhausts. Also got this these apes on it. I think those are probably 18s. Might be 16s. They're the chubby bars with wire through the bars. Got the cool down under mirrors there. Black denim finish, forward mount foot controls. Got a little bit of the skull action going on there on the heel relief. Set up for 2-up riding, and I'm thinking that this seat may have been a Fat Bob seat. I don't think that was the standard seat that's on the Street Bob. Good tires on it, front and rear. Had a passenger backrest added. Thing runs out real good. 70 miles on. 5,232 miles. Sounds good with the Vance & Hines exhaust. Got a good tire up front. Didn't see any kind of dings or dents on it anywhere. Well, maybe that's one right there. That's a little rock peck right there on the front fender. All this back here looks good. If you'd like to know more about it, call our sales team toll free at 888-400-1151. They can tell you all about it. Go online and see our complete inventory at cleanharleys.com. This bike's been through our shop, checked out, it's ready to ride. Got a lot of good finance options and extended warranty options on this bike. We sell and ship motorcycles all over the world, so it'll be easy to get this one to you. Take almost anything in on trade. Give us a call, toll free, 888-400-1151. This is Gino with American Motorcycle Trading Company in Arlington, Texas. Thanks for looking.